Hello everyone, how you all doing today? I hope you guys are doing great. If this is the first time of watching my video, hi, my name is Etiosa. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make whitening base cream from scratch. So as you guys can see, I have all my ingredients measured out already, which I'll be introducing to you guys one after the other. First off, I have my oil phase. In here I have shea butter, I have mango butter, I have stearic acid, I have EWAS, and I have cetyl alcohol. So don't worry, I'm going to be writing all the ingredients on the screen and also the percentage that you need them at. That way you can convert it to the quantity you want to make. And here I have my water phase. Here is my distilled water. I use this type of distilled water. You can use any type of distilled water, and you can also make use of rose water. And then I divided my distilled water into two. I just took a little in here because I need this to dissolve my sodium EDTA. So I'm going to be setting this aside. Here I have my giga white powder. In here I have my white licorice extracts. Here I have my allantoin powder. Here I have my sim white powder. And this is my sodium EDTA. So I'm going to be showing you guys all the things that I measured out, showed you guys already, so you guys can see it for yourselves. Okay, so this is my sim white powder. This is my giga white powder. My propylene glycol. So here I have propylene glycol and whitening glycerin, which is my humectants. And here I have my carboxylic carbric. Here is my carboxylic carbric. This is how my whitening glycerin looks like. And this is my mango butter. Here is my shea butter. So first off, I'm going to be using double boiler method, so to dissolve this and also to heat this up before mixing together. So before we do that, I would like to dissolve my sodium EDTA and set it aside. So with this distilled water that I have here, I'm going to be adding in my sodium EDTA. And then I have this scale because this is very easy to work with, especially when you are making a small quantity of product or whatever you want to make, especially when it comes to essential oil. So this actually scale from 0.1 upward to 3 kg, I think. So this is very easy to work with. So with my distilled water, I'm going to add in sodium EDTA. So I'm going to be very careful while measuring this. Yeah. The first thing you do is stir. Don't worry, this is very easy to dissolve, so it doesn't take time. Just take your time to stir. While I wait for this to dissolve, I'm going to be using the double boiler method to heat up my water phase and to melt my oil phase. So I'll be right back. Here is my oil phase and water phase already heated. It's around 82 degrees Celsius. So first I'm going to be adding my sodium EDTA to my water phase. Next is my allantoin powder. Next is my giga white powder. Next I have my licorice extracts. This is my sim white powder, very strong, so you have to make sure that you pieces it properly before. I don't know the type that you have, but mine is a bit cakey. So I'm going to be adding this into my oil face. And stir this into your oil face and stir while adding. The next thing I'm going to do is to whisk this off camera. I can't do it here because of where my socket is. It's far from me. So I'm done whisking. You can notice that it's already getting to trace. So I have to keep on stirring. And also guys, you can notice that I'm doing a voice note on this particular part. It's because of the noise on the background. It was so annoying. So I have to, do a voice over on this particular part of the video. So you can notice that it's almost getting to the perfect consistency, although it's still a bit hot, so we have to wait for it to cool down. So before we wait for it to cool down, I'm going to be adding in my humectant, which is my carboxylic fabric and whitening glycerin and also vegetable glycerin. So you can actually add it at this point, and then after adding it in, I'm going to stir, and then we proceed to the boosters because we are going to be promising this at the end of this video. Alright guys, while I wait for the cream to solidify, I'm going to be measuring out my boosters. First, we are going to be using this concentrate or serum. This is Amir Clear Carrots serum. This is a whitening serum. So we're going to be adding in 15.5 gram. That is too much. Before we continue with this video, I want to use this opportunity to announce my upcoming skincare training that is coming up soon. This is strictly promised training, and we just finished one in July 12, and we're planning for the second batch. If you're interested in this training, you can send in your DM. This training is basically just promise, strictly promising, and you're going to be learning the perfect way on how to promise your whitening product and lightening product that you will not see or get any side effects. This training, you're going to be learning a lot. Okay, you're going to be learning how to make 4 different sets of products: your body lotion, whitening face cream, lightening body lotion, lightening face cream, hot chocolate body lotion and hot chocolate face cream, and also caramel body lotion and caramel face cream. You're going to be learning how to make the scrubs that goes along with this set, and the body soap, whip soap as well is included. You are not just going to be learning how to formulate your whip soap base from scratch. I'm going to be teaching you how you can customize your whip soap base, and also videos are included. You are going to be getting 4 videos, pictures, and everything needed for you to start with. Okay, this is very easy. It's beginners friendly, and it's just 45,000 naira, and the first 5 people get the chance to pay 40,000 naira. All right, so don't forget that the video you are watching right now is for the purpose of this advert, and if you want to get a full recipe on how I promise this lotion, the video is on my YouTube channel. You can check it out. So let's continue from where we stopped. Next concentrate is this magic white bio potion. Okay, that's 7.5. Next is make me white tube. We are going to be adding in 7.5. Next is this water tube. We are going to be adding in 7.5. Next is German Plus preservative. We are adding in 0.5 grams. Okay, so all the ingredients are written on the screen. You can just note them down and convert it to the percentage, sorry, the grams that you want to make, because in this video we made about 250 ml body lotion. Okay, so right now I'm measuring out my German Plus preservative, and guys, this lotion already can be used. Okay, so if you want to make a whitening body lotion, you can now get the ingredients, together. But already with this lotion, you can use it. Caramel skin can actually use it. It's a brightening or probably a lightening lotion, so very good, effective, and it doesn't give any reaction on the skin or dark no cold whatsoever. Just so pure. Okay, so next thing I'm adding in is light up serum. So my light up serum is around 2%. So just put everything together, and then we have Zapit tube. This is a whitening tube as well, and it's an anti-reaction tube as well as the bata tube. So I added in 7.5 gram, okay, which is around 3%. So that's for that. And after measuring everything out, I'm going to pour it into our base, then whip together. So you can see that our base cream has solidified already, and is a thick base, very very thick. Okay, so if you want to customize this to any type of cream that you want to make at the end of the day, so bear it in mind that this base cream is thick. Okay, so that is the reason why we call it whitening base, so that by the time you want to customize it, putting your serums and oil, whatever you want to put, is not going to affect the viscosity. Okay, so after pouring in, I stirred together. So I tried to pour it in a smaller beaker so you guys can see the consistency and just how it look. Basically, just see how thick this cream is. So you can actually use this just the way it is, as a maintenance lotion or a lightening cream. Is natural cream anyway, so it doesn't bleach the skin. So we just added some few boosters to give that lightening effect. Already with the actives that we use are very good when it comes to lightening. We have kojic dip, we have sim white, which and snow white powder as well. So bye.